Hi guys, today I will be playing AWS Card Clash, an architecture design game. I'm hoping to learn something more about AWS and all the services, as I wish to probably take part as a participate in the Cloud Practitioner exam. So yeah, I'll see how it goes and what can I learn from this game provided by AWS. Yeah, this is my first video, so I'm still setting up the equipment. So without further ado, let's start playing. I already done the tutorial, so I'll be choosing the Cloud Practitioner path. As you can see, I already finished the first step, but let me maybe replay this once more. Okay, so let me start the game. What's interesting, it's called architecture game, but to be honest, when I started playing it, it's more like a strategic type of game. So what can I do at this point? When I get the card with plus or minus signs, they allow me to gain energy, so I get 2 energy. Now I can read a replica on each tile. I can read what is required here. So at this slot, at read a replica, I should configure and manage a cloud-based relational database. So that will be Amazon RDS, but I can also still cost free. I believe I can also steal this field from the other player and secure my database. So is there something more I need to do now? I think I can end this turn. I want to score as much points as possible, so I'll be stealing the slots from the opponent when possible. Alright. Okay, so once again I can get this 3 points. For 3 points I can set a replica, add the security, and I will discard the lambda card. And I will end my turn. I have elastic load balancer, so I can put it probably here. Yes, distribute network traffic, that will be a elastic load balancer. Responsibility. At this point I want to max out, I will be stealing. Okay, I need 3 energy points to steal this. I won't need RDS. Should I? Security group. I will discard the security group card to get maybe more useful cards on the next turn. So in general there's this. Okay, he's got the gorilla destroyed his card, so that's a good sign for me. What can I do? I can get 3 extra energy points. Now I can steal his EC2 instance, and I discard the cards that I didn't need. So yeah, I have the elastic load balancer, which I can secure later with AM roll if I have an energy card. and we'll see what happens next. He only got 3 energy, now he got 4. Okay, the question is how much the steel cost is 4, but I got 3 plus energy, so I can actually steal the elastic load balancer, secure it. If I put auto scaling group, I will end the game, but I would like to have the EC2 instance stolen, so I will just see what comes next turn. Okay, I won't steal it. No matter what I do at this point, I won't be able to steal it. There's no way to steal cost 3, sloth cost. Can I? Nope, that's not an option. So at this point I can only end the game. So we have this infrastructure, so we have a load balancer on AWS which will redistribute the users to EC instances, actually not 2, but what is the quantity of 2 are availability zones A and B, and yeah, they are hidden behind a virtual private cloud. And we have the auto scaling group, which will scale the number of instances in each availability zone, and we have the primary database from which probably each instance of EC2 will read the data. Okay, that's all. The match summary. What will be my score? Okay, I got 3 stars, that's nice. Yeah, so great. My previous score was 2 stars, so I upgraded my score, and next time I'll be trying to get the regions and zones cards or turn. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this short video about me participating in the first task for the Cloud Practitioner of Card Clash. If you're interested in watching the second step, there should be a link to the next video somewhere on the screen, and I'll see you there. Thanks, bye.